Greetings, my beloved 7th period students. Here is your quiz. All right, this is real simple, so just pay close attention. Number 1 and number 2, they want to know, could these be the sides of a triangle? Okay, now I want you to remember the rule. Whatever the longest side is, it has to be longer than these two sides if you add them together. So you add the two short sides together, they have to be smaller than the bigger side. If they're smaller, then it's a triangle. But if it's bigger, then it's not a triangle. So that's number 1 and number 2. 3 and 4, they want to know what are the possible lengths of the third side. So remember yesterday, you had to subtract the two numbers and add the two numbers together. So you're going to say it's got to be at least, something, and it's got to be less than something else. Okay, so that's what you got to do for these two. You subtract them both and add them both. And that gives you your smallest length it could be and your largest length it could be. 5 and 6. List the sides and angles from smallest to largest. And we did this in class yesterday too. So I'm just going to kind of start you out on both of these. I see that my smallest angle is this, so I'm going to say, okay, angle A. Okay, and then remember, look across to the side. This will also tell you the smallest side, which would be BC. So there's the start. You need to do the next two sets of angles and sides. Similar on number 6, only they give us the sides. So like this would be my smallest one. So that is FE. Okay, and he is across from angle D. So angle D is my smallest. Now work your way up. 7 and 8, we want to know which is bigger. Is it PR or is it VT? Look at the angle. The angle will tell you who is bigger. Use greater than, less than, or equal to in these. And like this one, who's bigger, angle 1 or angle 2? Are they greater, less, or equal? Notice that there are tick marks right here in this picture. It might be a little hard to see, meaning these two sides are equal to one another. Okay? So that may help you with figuring that out there. And lastly, for this last two, we need to show you that P is a centroid, which means he's in the middle. And from B to P, this is 8 units long. So we need to know what is BF, the whole way across, and then FP, which would be from here to here. Okay? Remember that this is 2/3 of the way. This is only 1/3. So remember, what do you got to do this number to figure out what this part is? I would figure out FP first and then add the two together to get BF for the other one. And that's the end of your quiz. So pretty simple, everything that we reviewed. Hope you have a good rest of the day.